Hi, I'm Darren Wood, a manager of Impress Kitchens of Croydon. At Impress, we design, manufacture and install a quality range of reliable kitchen, bedroom and bathroom furniture. We have a full range of materials and colour schemes that give our customers a chance to express their imagination and creativity. In combining our professional team and our high-level machinery, we can make your dreams a reality. All our waste is recycled into reusable energy briquettes. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact impresskitchens.co.uk.